All right, we're going to focus in on parallelograms and the angles within those parallelograms. And as we do this, we want to pay attention to a couple of properties. And the first property is that opposite angles in a parallelogram are congruent. So opposite angles are congruent. Okay, and then adjacent angles add to 180 degrees. So let's write that down. Adjacent angles add to 180 degrees. That would mean that A plus D is 180 degrees. Okay, but because it says opposite angles are congruent, that means that A and C are equal to each other. So given the parallelogram ABCD, determine the measure of angle D. So we are going to be looking for the measure of angle D. The only information that we are given, though, is A and C, and these are opposite angles because they're across the parallelogram. So let's set them equal to each other. So I'm going to say 6x plus 9 equals to 5x plus 15, and we're simply going to solve. So subtract 5x. Okay, once we've subtracted 5x, we'll be left with x plus 9 equals to 15, and then we're going to subtract 9, and that will give us x equals to 6. Now, that has allowed us to solve for the variable x, but we are actually looking for the angle D. Well, the one thing I know is that A plus D is going to be equal to 180 degrees. So let's go ahead and find out what A is. So in order to find out what A is, I am simply going to take that 6 value that we solved for with x there, that x is equal to, take this 6 and I'm going to plug it into the formula. So 6 times 6 plus 9. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 9 is 45. So this is a 45-degree angle. In order to find D, I'm just simply going to take 180 because they're adjacent to each other, and I'm going to subtract off the 45. Okay, when I subtract off 45, that is going to give me 135. So this will come out, that is 135 degrees. Okay, and that's what we do. That's how we solve those angles with parallelograms.